On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, lean mince and leafy greens. Ingredients. Begin with peeling, washing, and thinly slicing 2 onions. Finely dice half a red and green bell pepper, then thinly slice your leafy greens. And that's all the veg prep. Heat oil in a saucepan on a medium to high heat. Add the mince and break the meat into chunks. As it browns, continue breaking it up. Add ginger puree or ground ginger. Add garlic granules or fresh garlic. Some curry powder. Paprika. Smoked paprika. Still on a medium to high heat, add the onions to the mincemeat. Aromat seasoning or salt. Add the diced bell peppers. Some Worcestershire sauce. Light soy sauce is optional. Cover with lid and leave to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. I then added some beef casserole seasoning mix, some tomato ketchup, white wine vinegar, and finally, some sweet and sour sauce. Reduce to a low heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Place the cooked mince in a bowl, then set aside to cool. Using the same saucepan, heat oil on a medium heat. Add the sliced leafy greens and a small amount of boiling water. Some aromat seasoning or salt. Turn the heat down to a medium-low and let the greens simmer. Cook time is about 8 to 10 minutes or until tender. Add the cooked mince to the leafy greens. And that's it, plate up and enjoy this flavorful dish of lean mince and leafy greens. I was excited with the results and the flavor. It not only looks good, the smell is divine. 9 out of 10 and another must try. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, tell me what you think in the comments below and subscribe. It means a lot. Love you all so much and God bless.